All right, let's get it. We already know we're going straight into it.
You just a nasty bitch. Like, the fuck? You want your life back because you want to suck random dicks. Bitch, I know 5 niggas done hit you. Said all them niggas done said the same shit about you. You's a hoe. You was gonna fuck Said and Mila.
No, it wasn't. Mila's not even my fucking time.
Man, whatever. You's a hoe. You want to be a hoe.
She ain't say no to say.
You, Alice, everybody.
Leave me alone!
Crazy ass.
I ain't never ever fucking good. That's not gonna fucking work. Fucking stressed out. I'm so sick of this shit.
You getting mad because you a hoe and I put it out there?
No fucking hoe.
You is a hoe.
I'm sick of
you is a hoe.
You're
a hoe.
You're my
You're a hoe. A hoe.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Hey. Put that gun down. Stop playing, bro. Put that gun down. Put that gun down.
I'm sick of this
Put that gun down. Put that gun down. Yeah, I got you on camera. I got you on camera now. Talking about you gonna kill yourself, you grabbing a motherfucking gun. See, you done lost your motherfucking mind, Tiffany. The fuck is wrong with
Tiffany
you?
done lost her mind.
Put that gun down.
I'm sick of your ass.
Put that gun down.
Get the fuck away from me.
Put that gun down.
I'm sick of you.
Put the gun down.
The same gun that you shot in the fucking air, bitch.
I didn't shoot in the air, you shot it. Look at you. Man, put that gun down. You about to go to work and you right here got a whole fucking gun in your hand talking about you gonna kill yourself crying. It's the second time now.
I'm not going to work.
Man, put the gun down.
Yeah, I don't think she should be going to work either. I don't think she should be going to nobody's work. She gonna take whatever anger she got out on everybody. That's for sure. Like she has there's nothing in her right now that says, you know what, yo, dealing with you antagonizing me about my sexuality and you still, because he taking her to work, you can clearly see he taking her to work. So he's riling her up before he even get there. And he don't even have to deal with whatever, if she's a hoe or not. If she's really a hoe, he doesn't have to deal with that. And he's taping her. So on top of that, he's taping her, antagonizing her, and she's on her way to work to go deal with whatever foolishness. And she pulls the blicky and the sticky. He lucky she ain't just woo woo wham. Because as soon as I would have seen that, I would have hit the brakes, boom, and I would have disarmed her. Like it would have been a disarming method right there. Because I already be like, all right, but at the same time, he antagonized her to get to that point of some sort of reaction like that. Because you can't shame a hoe if she really if she's really what you say she is. You can't shame her for that, man. You kind of probably knew she was when you got with her, man. And you can't tape the girl at the same time while you doing that. And then you posted it on top of that. You posted this, like, cause I seen this. Wherever I got this from, you posted this so other people could see you shaming this girl and this girl going crazy, but you think it's really on her only, but it's on you. Like the girl really, like she kind of just in her own word. Like you probably been jabbing at her the whole day that she a 304 or whatever the case may be. But you like her though. I'm telling you like her. It's dudes out here, and probably every dude even did it at least once, where we done wifed up some chick that we knew for a fact that was not supposed to be wifed up. And even I ain't gonna say probably not supposed to be. She was just known to be very, very promiscuous and extremely friendly. And it makes you look weird and makes you look funny when you wife this chick up. But if you okay with it, you okay with it. But most dudes ain't gonna be okay with it because it's just male ego. So you shouldn't even be dealing with a chick like this if your ego is easily tarnished. Like you shouldn't even be doing that. Like that just don't even make sense. You know what I'm saying? Like why would you put yourself in a situation like that? I'm not putting myself in a situation where I know for a fact, like, hey, okay, I can't. This is like a deal breaker for me. She already said homeboy wasn't her type. She ain't said the other dude was her type though. I kind of feel sorry for Shorty. I ain't gonna lie to you. You gotta feel sorry for the hoes too, man. Like I can't even lie to you. She was chilling. She was on her way to work. She just tried to go to work as a security guard. I've been there. I've been a security guard before, man. This is the most annoying shit in the world, especially if you want an arm joint and you ain't getting paid that much to carry that damn weapon. I'm telling you that now. Probably get $18, sometimes $17, depending on where she at, to carry your gun. Imagine that, $17 to carry your gun. and she got mental issues, and she gonna go in there and go deal with the public and this, that, and third, whoever she dealing with. Come on, man. Yo. Anyway, you already know. Like, comment, subscribe. Your boy is hit the ticker, the blicker and the blicker. Be careful out there, y'all. Stop chastising the hoes, bruh. If you're gonna do it in private. Don't do it like that, and don't agonize if she's a hoe, because you already know she's a hoe. You like being a hoe, being with the hoe. So anyway, I hope they don't clap me too much for saying HOE too many times. 304. I gotta keep remembering that too. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because if not, you will die.